Good morning. Welcome to the Belfry. Not the best weather this morning. It was a bit overcast now, but it was a beautiful sunny morning. Anticipating hopefully low scores from the players, and so we've got the Belfry in a good test in the Brabazon course this morning. With the UK Swing Series last year, dropped upon us very last minute. The first port of call was to Farol's. How can you guys help us? We have got a fleet of kit available, and we're fortunate to have 3 golf courses here, so we can capitalise on the volume of staff and the volume of machines in order for us to hopefully present the golf course and show the Belfry and the Brabazon in good shape. When I asked the question with Jacob Sherlis and James Muir, they jumped and basically said, absolutely, we'll support you. So then the fleet of machines started coming in and they delivered, but not only did they deliver that, they actually delivered where they had the machines all checked out, made sure everything was sharp before they came to us, and that saved us a lot of time and effort and the pressures on the mechanics. Fast forwarding 10 months, so we've had tournaments with European Tour since '08. So last year was the first European Tour, and it's great to welcome them back. In addition to that, in 10 months we've hosted 2 tournaments, and John Deere have been very much in the forefront of making these events, as I say, particularly the UK Swing Series. The cat quality, I think that particularly from John Deere, is just superior. It gives us I find that the tightness of cat, the turf health, the sharpness, everything from the fleet of kit that they've got. Not one brand has got everything, but John Deere comes very, very close. Tractors, utility vehicles, cat and equipment. But for me, I'm looking at the turf quality. I'm looking at the cat quality. We're checking, testing all the time, trying to make improvements, trying to make things better, and John Deere delivered that in every level. The Belfry British Masters, again, super excited. 08 since the last event, so now we're looking at what kind of challenges we got, and with the modern game and the standards expected with these players, we have to raise up a notch. So we had a little bit more notice this time. And that notice then has given us an opportunity to alter the course a little bit, but it's also given us an opportunity to fine-tune the golf course. I'd just like to really thank a few people, definitely Farol's for one, and John Deere. The partnership that we have with the Belfry, since maybe 5-6 years now, has just gone from strength to strength. Completely indebted. The tournament support, the backup from our dealer Farol's. If we have any issues, it's resolved straight away. I couldn't have asked for more.